Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Inside 06, where we discover and explore the many events of Sharjah. The Emirate of Sharjah is well known for its deep-rooted love and importance towards nature. Sharjah's many protected areas and nature reserves speak volumes on the effort and care that the government of Sharjah passionately strives to protect, uphold and support. And in today's special episode, we'll be covering one of Sharjah's many protected areas, the island of Sir Bu Nair. Every year, the government of Sharjah holds a festival in the island of Sir Bu Nair. The festival is one of the most important environmental events among the environmental awareness campaign planned to preserve marine and coastal areas. Let's get started with the opening of Sir Bu Nair Island Festival.
The Environment and Protected Areas Authority in Sharjah kicked off the 24th edition of the highly anticipated Sir Bu Nair Festival today. This prestigious environmental event draws participation from numerous government entities across the Emirate. The festival promises a diverse and engaging experience for all, where visitors participated in exciting sports competitions alongside over 100 competitors. Beyond the thrill of competition, the festival offers educational opportunities through informative workshops and heritage sessions. This accompanying exhibition showcases the environmental, cultural, and touristic significance of the Sir Bu Nair Island Reserve. More than just entertainment, the Sir Bu Nair Festival serves a vital purpose. It reinforces Sharjah's commitment to environmental protection and biodiversity. The festival's awareness and educational message highlights the Emirate's dedication to preserving its rich environmental and marine heritage. The Sir Bu Nair Festival is designed to be a diverse and engaging experience for visitors of all ages. This year's event promises a thrilling blend of activities, as it transcends mere entertainment. This annual event reinforces Sharjah's unwavering commitment to environmental protection and biodiversity by serving a powerful platform for raising awareness about the delicate balance of the local environment and the importance of preserving it. Through interactive educational opportunities, the festival seeks to inspire a generation of environmentally conscious citizens who will champion a sustainable future for Sharjah. The festival shines a spotlight on the rich environmental and marine heritage of the Emirate, highlighting the importance of protecting these precious and natural resources. By fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation for the environment, the Sir Bu Nair Festival aims to empower individuals to become active participants in safeguarding Sharjah's natural wonders for generations to come.
Grand opening for a grand festival that showcases Sharjah's care and awareness for the environment. Up next, an in-depth report on Sir Bu Nair Island Festival.
Nestled in the azure waters of Arabian Gulf lies a hidden gem, Sir Bu Nair Island. This teardrop-shaped sanctuary, located around 100 kilometers off the coast of Sharjah, holds a rich tapestry of history and natural wonders. Declared a protected area by the Amiri Decree number 25 of 2000 issued by His Highness Dr. Sheikh Sultan bin Muhammad Al Qasimi, Member of Supreme Council and ruler of Sharjah, Sir Bu Nair Island stands as a testament to the UAE's commitment to environmental preservation. Historically, Sir Bu Nair Island has served as a vital navigation point for seafarers, with its strategic location offering respite and refuge to weary travelers. The island's unique ecosystem supports a diverse array of wildlife, from endangered sea turtles to vibrant coral reefs. It's a living testament to the importance of conservation efforts in the region. Shaped by time and wind, Sir Bu Nair Island boasts a unique geological heritage. Its reddish soil, rich in iron oxide, paints a landscape reminiscent of Mars. But beneath this rugged exterior lies a treasure trove of life. Spanning around 3 kilometers in width and encompassing approximately 13 square kilometers of land, Sir Bu Nair Island is a haven for biodiversity. Its pristine beaches, rocky cliffs, and sandy dunes provide a sanctuary for a multitude of species. Beneath the surface, coral reefs teem with life, hosting over 40 different species of corals and a kaleidoscope of reef fish. Hawksbill and green sea turtles return annually to its shores, nesting under the watchful eye of conservationists. And above the waves, seabird colonies adorn the cliffs, while gazelles and hedgehogs roam the island's interior. Sir Bu Nair Island is not just a place of natural beauty, it's a symbol of the UAE's commitment to sustainable development. Here we can have a question that why the Sir Bu Nair Island is protected and conserved, and why even we need to protect and conserve the biodiversity, or why it is important to have projects like Sir Bu Nair Island and other conservation projects in the Emirates of Sharjah. And the answer is, it is very important to save the biodiversity and protect the places like Sir Bu Nair Island, because we have seen a decrease in the biodiversity along the whole Gulf, and especially in the areas close to the shoreline because of the developments. That is why we have these projects to save marine ecosystem. On places like Sir Bu Nair Island, biodiversity flourishes and corals can reproduce and even be exported to other present places where they are subject to environmental and climate change issues. As the sun sets on this pristine paradise, recognized by the Convention on Wetlands of International Importance Ramsar in 2013, included in UNESCO World Heritage Tentative List in 2012, in addition to IOC Indian Ocean Southeast Asian Marine Turtle Memorandum of Understanding for the sake of maintaining rich biodiversity and distinguished habitat, this wonderful Sir Bu Nair Island gives us a reminder of the importance of preserving our planet's precious ecosystems. Apart from scientific and ecological values, the Sir Bu Nair Island also hosts a full of fun, knowledge and entertainment festival every year in summer, which is called the Sir Bu Nair Festival, and it brings together people from all walks of life to celebrate the rich cultural and natural heritage of Sharjah. Organized by the Environment and Protected Areas Authority in collaboration with other governmental bodies, the festival offers a unique opportunity to learn about marine biodiversity and conservation efforts in the region. The Sir Bu Nair Festival is not just about entertainment, it's about education and awareness. Through sports competitions, educational workshops, and cultural activities, it aims to foster a deeper connection between people and nature. Another highlight of the festival is the Al Ghafal Dhow sailing race, a tradition that dates back centuries. Dhows, traditional Arabian sailing vessels, race across the azure waters, evoking the spirit of maritime heritage. As I mentioned, the Sir Bu Nair Festival is not just a celebration, it's a commitment to preserving our natural and cultural heritage. Through events like the Al Ghafal race, we pay homage to our maritime legacy and raise awareness about the importance of conservation. Visitors to the festival can participate in a variety of activities, from guided nature walks and tours to snorkeling expeditions, including sports competitions, training workshops, and heritage sessions. In addition to an accompanying exhibition and the presence of food trucks throughout the Sir Bu Nair Island. Experts from honoring participating entities and institutions are on hand to share their knowledge and passion for conservation, inspiring others to take action to protect our planet's fragile ecosystems. From traditional music and dance performances to artisanal crafts and culinary delights, the Sir Bu Nair Festival showcases the rich cultural heritage of Sharjah, providing a platform for local artists and entrepreneurs to share their talents with the world. As the festival draws to a close and the sun dips below the horizon, the echoes of laughter and camaraderie linger in the salty sea breeze. Sir Bu Nair Island remains a beacon of hope for future generations, a reminder of the importance of safeguarding our planet's treasures.
Among the many government sectors, as well as both public and private sectors, the Events Committee at Sharjah Sports Council also participated in the Sir Bu Nair Festival, hosting a variety of competitions and events with prizes and rewards. The Sharjah Sports Council, partnering with the Sharjah International Marine Sports Club, hosted a lively aquatic challenge featuring various sporting activities. Nearly 100 athletes representing a diverse range of organizations including the Armed Forces, Sharjah Police, the Environment Protected Areas Authority, Sharjah Broadcasting Authority, Dubai Marine Sports Club, Dubai Police, and the Sharjah Civil Defense Authority participated in the event. Swimmers showcased their speed and technique in individual races, while kayakers demonstrated their paddling prowess in solo and team competitions. Runners from the participating organizations took to the track, pushing themselves for top finishes. The Triple Fitness Challenge presented a unique test of multidisciplinary challenges. This demanding competition kicked off with a weightlifting segment, followed by an endurance swim, and culminated in a kayaking race, demanding both speed and stamina from participants. Despite the competitive nature of the events, a strong sense of fellowship emerged. Participants from all organizations came together in a spirit of sportsmanship and a shared passion for fitness. The event's success was a testament to the dedication and enthusiasm of nearly 100 participants. The competitions at this event are more than just games, they are a vital thread in the fabric of our shared heritage, and a means to raise awareness for preserving our planet and the environment. The competitions are diverse and deeply rooted in tradition, embodying the skills, values, and stories passed down through generations. Celebrating the Emirates' rich maritime culture, fishing competitions, dhow races, and pearl diving challenges reminisce to the UAE's rich historical significance to the sea. These events honor the skills and bravery of our ancestors who navigated the open waters with remarkable expertise. Through these events, the Sir Bu Nair Island Festival transforms environmental awareness from a concept into a collective mission. It reminds us that every action counts and that together we can preserve and protect our beautiful planet. Ahmed Al-Hosani, a member of the Events Committee at Sharjah Sports Council, encouraged participation in the events, emphasizing that all events are available to everyone present and attending the festival. The events that the Sharjah Marine Sports Club organizes with the cooperation of the Sharjah Sports Council are running, swimming, kayaking, as well as weightlifting events, in addition to kayak races and marine sports entertainment available to all the participants in the island. He concluded by saying that he wishes all competitors to enjoy and have fun, wishing success and safety at the festival. The island of Sir Bu Nair is as lively as ever, and the festive atmosphere continues to raise awareness for important environmental initiatives. Sharjah 2's filming team visited the island and covered the following interviews and footage.
كل دورة تختلف عن الدورات السابقة فالدورة ال24
Each edition is unique and different from the last. The 24th edition had many events over the course of 2 consecutive days, such as the environmental marathon competition, as well as the marine sports competition, in addition to fishing competitions. There were also expeditions and tours in the island. The main purpose of the festival is to shine a light on the importance of the island of Sir Bu Nair, which is considered one of the most beautiful islands within the Arabian Gulf, and also to allow individuals to visit the island during the festival. All praise to Allah. Through the projects and plans, the island has recovered and been restored to a percentage of 98%, and this is an encouraging number to take the next step, which is opening visits of the island to the public during certain time periods and specific visits. That allows people to enjoy the beautiful scenery. We thank all the government sectors, sponsors, and organizations that took part in this festival. If it were not for their participation, the festival would not be successful. The festival is now 24 years old. All praise to Allah. This is evidence showing the success of the past festivals with the endless support of His Highness the ruler of Sharjah. May Allah preserve him, as well as the support of the government entities.
Dear viewers, as we reach the end of the episode, we reflect and ponder on the importance of the world and nature around us. Sir Bu Nair Island is just one of Sharjah's many protected areas, showing us the love that Sharjah has for the environment and nature. Let's all take inspiration from Sharjah and strive to protect and preserve the natural world that we live in. Download our streaming app Miraya and follow us on Instagram at Sharjah 2 channel. We'll now leave you with some beautiful footage of the protected Sir Bu Nair Island. Until next time.